Hello friends, welcome to InfiGyan. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from radical equations, which we have to solve for real values of x. So let's get it started. We have radicand 2x minus 1. This should be positive only. So I will write 2x minus 1 should be greater than 0. Or we'll be writing 2x should be greater than 1. By dividing 2 both sides, we will get x should be greater than half. Now we have square root x over here. So we'll be writing x must be non-negative. So x should be greater than or equal to 0. Now from left hand side, we can say x should be non-negative greater than or equal to 0. So from the condition of RHS, we will take intersection of these two inequalities or conditions. We are going to get x should be greater than half. And from left hand side, we have x should be greater than or equal to 0. We will say our x must be greater than half, then only we are going to get real values of x. Now we will divide numerator and denominator. Let me write equation here. X equal to square root of 2 minus square root of x over square root of 2x minus 1. Now we will divide numerator and denominator by root x over here. Divided by root x. Here also we will divide by root x. So we can write x will be equal to square root of 2 minus 1 over square root 2x over root x. So it will be square root of 2 minus 1 over x. Now we will use substitution. Let us say square root 2 minus 1 over x. This is equal to y. Let me write equation here. X equal to square root of 2 minus 1 over square root of 2 minus 1 over x. Now we will be substituting this part equal to y. So x is greater than 0. If this is equal to y, then y must also be greater than 0. Basically x was greater than half. Let me write half only. So both are positive. Now x will be equal to square root of 2 minus 1 over y. And here we have y equal to, from our substitution, square root of 2 minus 1 over x. Now we'll be squaring both the equations. So we can write x square will be equal to 2 minus 1 over y. And after squaring second equation, we will write y square equal to 2 minus 1 over x. Now we have to subtract second equation from first one. So sign change will be there. Plus 2 and minus 2 will get over. We will write x square minus y square equal to 1 over x minus 1 over y. Now we will take LCM and write x square minus y square equal to y minus x over xy. Or we can write minus of x minus y over xy. Now we will add x minus y over xy both sides. So we can write equation x square minus y square plus x minus y over xy equal to 0. Now we will use difference of two squares formula over here, and we can write x plus y times x minus y plus x minus y over xy equal to 0. Now we will take x minus y common out. So x minus y in one bracket, in other bracket we will write x plus y plus 1 over xy. Now we have condition x greater than half, y greater than 0. So I can say this bracket must be greater than half. So this cannot be equal to 0 because of x is greater than half, y is positive. So x plus y plus 1 over xy must be positive quantity. So only thing is possible, that is x minus y equal to 0. So from this equation we will write x equal to y or y equal to x. So let me write x equal to y, or we can also write y equal to x. Now I will write our equation y equal to square root 2 minus 1 over x. This was our substitution. Now put y equal to x over here. We will get x equal to square root of 2 minus 1 over x. Now we are going to square both sides, so that square root is there in right hand side. We will cancel square root with square and get equation x square equal to 2 minus 1 over x. Now x is greater than half, we can multiply both sides by x. Let's multiply by x both sides. X times x square, x cube, 2 times x minus 1 over x times x, 1. By writing all the terms to one side, we'll get one cubic equation, x cube minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0, which we will solve using method of factorization. If I will plug in x equal to 1 over here, it will satisfy our equation. So let me write here x cube minus 2x plus 1. I will split 1 in 2 minus 1. So let us write x cube minus 2x plus 2 minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will rewrite our terms x cube with minus 1 and minus 2x with plus 2 equal to 0. Now here we can use difference of two cubes formula, and we will write x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 1. From next two terms we can take minus 2 common. So in the bracket there will be x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will take x minus 1 overall common. So in other bracket we can write x square plus x plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0, or x minus 1 times x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will use product 0 rule. So either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. From first equation, I can get x equal to 1 by adding 1 to both sides. So our first real solution would be 1, which is greater than half. Condition was x should be greater than half, then only we'll be getting real solutions. So x equal to 1 is first real solution. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. Let's use quadratic formula. We will write x equal to minus b. b is plus 1, so minus 1. Plus minus is square root of b square, 1 square, 1. Minus 4 times 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 4. Over 2 times 1 will give us 2. So we have x equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. One value is positive, another value is negative. Let me write minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and second value would be minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Square root 5 is 2.23. Minus 1 minus root 5 over 2 would be negative. Condition on x is x must be positive, greater than half. So we can reject this solution and we can accept this one. 2.23 minus 1 is 1.23 over 2, which is 0.61, greater than half. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation x equal to 1 and x equal to square root 5 minus 1 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.